You're watching LookAlike TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Ronke Oshodi is a Nigerian actress, director and producer, born on the 17th of July 1974. Ronke Oshodi Oke, as fondly called, hails from Ondo State but was born in Oworonsoki, Lagos State, southwestern Nigeria. She started her acting profession with a drama group called Star Parade under the tutelage of popular veteran actor Fade Yoloro. She turned into an easily recognized name in the year 2000 when she featured in a film titled Oshodi Oke, from which she got her stage name Ronke Oshodi Oke. Ronke Oshodi Oke got famous in the entertainment because of comic style and large bosom. The actress is blessed with 3 children, the others named Olajumoke. She gave birth to Olajumoke from a past relationship, while the other 2 children is from her husband, Anthony Bolahan. See beautiful photos of Ronke Oshodi and her look-alike mother.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.